In this short practice, I'm going to teach you how to create instant stress relief and come back into a calm, balanced, pure state. So just begin by gently closing your eyes and just noticing where you are. Just noticing the energies that are present, noticing if you're busy up in the head, if the mind is really busy. If the mind feels full, it usually feels like pulsing in the head, a lot of heaviness, a lot of energy there. Or maybe there's some energy stuck in the body. Maybe there's some tension inside the shoulders or the back or the neck. Maybe you feel like the whole body is tight. Just noticing where you are. And then when you're ready, begin shaking. So just bouncing up and down. This is one of the best ways to release stress. Science has shown that the vibration of the shaking helps release the body that holds on to these stressful energies. Allows the body to open, the tendons, the fascia. And what makes it even more powerful is your intention. So big exhales, and as you exhale, imagine yourself releasing this energy that is stuck inside you. Releasing the heaviness, the anxiety, whatever's there. Maybe there's some energy you've picked up from other people. Maybe it's from trying to control your day, your body, or your life, or other people. Just big inhales, big exhales. And imagine as though you're purging this energy from your body. Body is loose, super, super loose. Like you're shaking off dead leaves off a tree. And then go ahead and add a sound, whatever sound wants to happen through you. Usually the denser the energy, the more intense the sound that wants to come through. Just allow it to happen naturally. Again, the vibration of the voice, of the expression helps to release this energy from your system, opening your body. And when you feel it, when you feel ready, just stop. Go ahead and bring one hand on your low belly, the other one on the center of your chest. And taking some deep, full breaths, we'll do some wave breathing. So breathing in through the nose, filling up your belly. Then filling up the chest, the lungs, and then up to the top of your collarbone. And then exhale one section at a time. Belly, ribs, chest, ribs, belly. Long, slow, deep breaths. And just bringing the hands down, but continuing the breathing. But this time just a little softer. So there should be no efforting. Should not feel like labor, should not feel like effort. Allow your in-breath to be an expression of arrival. An expression of I have arrived. I don't need to run anymore. I allow myself to soften, to open, to release, and to receive. Maybe just bringing a hand on your heart, connecting to your heart. Coming back home to yourself. Back to truth. Back to presence, stillness, quietness, slowness. Coming back into understanding and accepting everything exactly as it is. And from this heart space, just asking yourself what your next step is. Thank you so much for your energy. Thank you for your presence. If you enjoy this practice, hit subscribe and join me each week as we do a new routine. And for those of you that want a little intro course into Qigong, I am offering a free 4-week Qigong course down in the links below. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.